Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix CD-ROM or DVD drive that is missing here in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's fix it and let's get started. So the very first step that you need to do is at the start icon, please do a right click and then scroll up and then go with device manager. Just have to tap that so that this window will appear. Here you need to expand it first, okay? And you need to look for CD-ROM or DVD drive. Okay, so usually it is next to this display adapters. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, you have that. Okay, again, you need to look for DVD drive or CD-ROM here. Okay, you will be able to see this next to display drive. Just have to click the forward arrow. So let's say, for example, this is the DVD drive or the CD-ROM, just have to click the forward arrow and there you would be able to see the available driver that you have in your Windows. Just have to do a right click and go with enable device. I mean, in my case, my graphics is enabled. That's why it says here disable. But in your case, you need to enable. It will says here enable. That's why it's missing. Just have to click on enable and then you need to restart your computer. Okay? So again, let me just clarify. So this is not the DVD drive or the CD-ROM itself. I'm just stating you an example. Just have to locate it. In your case, you have that in your computer, but in my case, I don't have such. But in your case, you have that again. Just have to click the forward arrow and then you will be able to see the available driver that you have. Okay? Just have to do a right click and go with enable device. Okay? So once you have successfully enabled that, just have to close this device manager window and then you need to restart your computer. So once you have restarted it, there you have that you'd be able to see the CD-ROM or DVD drive which is missing here in your Windows. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.